if you want to record your phone screen, you can do that easily. Just go to a recorder called Reflector. I'll put the link to it in the description below. All you do is download this Reflector app onto your computer, and then once you download the Reflector app, all you're going to want to do is download Google Home onto your computer. I accidentally clicked YouTube. By the way, make sure you click subscribe. Again, all you do is go and to the Play Store, download Google Home on your phone. Once you download Google Home, literally you'll just pull it up, click this little tab, these three buttons here in the top left corner, and then once you click those top three things in the top left corner, click Cast Screen Audio. Once you click on that, it'll pop up with your Reflector app. You'll just click this little blue button down here. It'll say connect. You connect to Reflector, and that's it. So if you guys want to record your Android phone screen for free, this is a great video and a great piece of software that you can use to do that. So it is free for 7 days. You get a trial. Other than that, you're gonna have to buy it, but again, for 7 days you get it for free. Anything you're gonna do, pretty much, you can pretty much download it, delete it, re-download it if you need it later. But other than that, I'm gonna end this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if this video helps you out, and I will see you guys next time.